That is a lot of plants. On today's Lending Listicles, we talk about 5 plants that can spruce up your kitchen. See what I did there? And you won't believe how easy most are to take care of. I'm sorry. First, let's talk about the 4 benefits to having plants in the kitchen. They help us breathe by turning carbon dioxide back into oxygen. They help remove toxic vapors and carbon monoxide. They keep us healthy by evaporating small amounts of moisture through their leaves. And they keep us happy by reducing stress and anxiety. So here are the 5 plants. 1, aloe vera. Vacation Jake, this is Vacation Jake, definitely familiar with aloe. These guys are easy to care for because they love being left alone. But be careful, you don't want to catch your pets chewing on it because it can be toxic. 2, Chinese evergreen. House plant killer trying to change for the better? This common plant might be your best bet. It's the reason you see them in offices everywhere. They're durable and super simple to keep alive. 3, golden pothos. This plant is also called the money plant, which I like to hear. Having this plant in your home is like a breath of fresh air. No, really. This guy's known for cleaning the air and removing pollutants. 4, Zamioculcas zamifolia. Close enough. Also known by its much easier to pronounce nickname, the ZZ plant, is incredibly popular among plant enthusiasts. This amazing air purifier has potato-like roots that store water. It loves being left alone and will hang out in low-light areas without a complaint. 5, mother-in-law's tongue. I'm not even gonna go there. It's also called a snake plant, so I feel safer calling it that. The plant grows upwards, so it looks good on both the counter or the floor. Oh, and this thing thrives on neglect. It can tolerate low-light areas, and you only have to water it once a month. For more Lending Listicles and a full list of plants for your kitchen, check out the Movement Mortgage blog or contact a Movement Mortgage loan officer near you.